All right, so welcome to the most interactive math class online where students get to learn by God's grace. So this evening we are completing changing the subject of the formula. The first one was Z is equal to X minus Y over 3. And we want to find for Y. So I just want to ask, Faith, what's the first thing you did with this one? Faith,
So for which number?
what was the first thing you did?
The first thing I did
Uh-huh.
was I multiplied each side by -1.
You multiply everything by -1.
Yeah.
All right. So this will now becomes negative Z. Okay, you have to do everything that negative X, and this will become plus Y over 3. All right. So she multiplied by -1. Yeah, next, wait. Now,
The
since the Y is negative, right, you could have said, let me show you a trick. You could have taken this part on this side, so it becomes Y over 3 plus Z equals X. Right? So next time, you don't have to multiply by -1. Just take the negative Y over 3. But yes, you could do it. I'm not going to tell you it's wrong.
Okay. So do the other way instead.
Well, either one, it doesn't matter. It's still correct.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
I'm listening, Duncan.
Somebody waiting for you to bring them into the meeting.
All right, thank you. All right, so next step, Faith, since you started off by multiplying by -1, what was the next step that you did?
So I simplified.
Right,
So
so
I say 3 open brackets Z subtract X closing brackets equals -Y.
no,
And
well, you
then
said multiply by -1, so you'll have negative Z, negative X plus Y over 3. Then what did you do next? You see, you're making Y the subject of the formula, so you had to remove your X and then your 3. Yeah?
okay,
So if I was doing this, everyone, because I took this over to the left side and made it positive. Now I must take you want Y alone. So it will now be X minus Z. All right, so I have Y over 3 equals to X minus Z. Anybody lost? Antonio?
Not much, sir.
All right.
I not lost at all. I had the answer already.
Absolutely, positively lost.
You lost?
Yeah, I'm very lost.
All right. So let's start over. So you're looking at 32. It's z is equal to x minus y over 3. But we're finding for y. All right, we're finding for y. But my question now, my first question is, let's ask that to Kyla. Is the y negative or positive, Kyla?
It's negative.
Right, so it's y negative y over 3. So the first step was put y over 3 on the left-hand side, and it becomes positive. Do you understand what I just did?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that's all that I did. I
Oh,
changed it because here it's negative.
right.
So when it's here now, it is
Positive.
positive. That's right. Positive. So that's all that I did that was unique. Because what I want to find is positive y. So remember, I'm finding for y, so I have to get rid of the z and the 3. Everybody okay with that?
Yeah.
So can I get rid of the z first? How do I get rid of the z first? By doing what?
Dividing by z.
No. If you have plus z, how could you divide?
You have to
Oh,
add.
minus z. Minus z.
What?
Yeah. So y over 3 is equal to x minus z. So to get rid of this z, actually, what we do to get rid of that z, I usually doesn't do this, but I'm going to do it today. To get rid of that z, I have to minus z. So just minus z on both sides. So this will cancel off, right? I usually just say take the z and carry it on the other side. So plus z minus z, so I minus z. So now my value is y over 3 equals to x minus z. So let's start from the top again. Let's start from the top. All right. So the question was z equal to x minus y over 3. But we want positive y. And since this y was negative, we took it on the other side and made it positive. So the first thing we have to do is get rid of the z by minusing z. Whatever you do on one side, you do on the next. So I minus z minus z. Everybody agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Anybody lost? Anybody lost?
No, sir.
All right. So Matthew, Mohan, I want to find for y, but it's y over 3. Suggest to the class what I must do to find for y. Matthew.
Multiply 3 over y.
Well, if I multiply by 3 over y, I will end up with nothing on this
Oh
side.
no, sir, you do it a different way.
So what are you going to do? Multiply by?
Nah, sir, you do it a different way than I did, so I'm too sure.
Yeah, but
as well.
watch out what I have and tell me what you think you should do. I have y over 3 equals to x minus z.
Well, sir, I would say the same thing, multiply by 3 over y on the right hand side,
Multiply
left hand
by
side.
3 over y.
Yeah, I would say the same
Yeah,
thing.
but
And cross
then
it out.
the 3's will cancel
Right.
and the y's will also cancel.
All right. Yeah. So that's I'm
Excuse
not too
me.
sure.
Huh?
Excuse me.
So you're left with 1 just now is equal to 3 multiplied by x minus z.
Yeah.
You agree with that? That's the answer?
Well, so not correct, but yeah, that's the answer.
No, that cannot be the answer because you got rid
Yeah.
of y.
Yep.
No, you cannot get rid of y.
That was it. I did it wrong. I did not
Right. So
understand.
tell me right. So what I'm asking is what you think I should do because I cannot get rid of y. So tell me what I should do instead. Multiply by what?
Um,
Watch at it carefully.
multiply by 3.
Multiply by 3. Very good. Yes, Duncan.
Sir, I wanted to know if you could have also divided it by 3, sir.
No, you can't divide by 3 because y over 3 divided by 3 is equal to y over 3 multiplied by 1 over 3, which is equal to y over 9. So the
Oh.
division sign changed to multiplication
Oh, because of KFC.
because of what?
KFC, keep flip change.
All right. So we multiplying by 3 over 1. But if I multiply by 3 on this side, I must multiply by 3 on this side. So I'm left with y. I'm left with y, not 1. So when we change in the subject of the formula, we're supposed to be left with what we find in 4. So it's 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 3, 1. We are left with y. Any questions? This is I actually saw one like this in CXC though.
Sir, I
Yes.
understand it now, but the process is confusing me
What is
a little
confusing?
bit.
What is confusing you?
The process, a little bit of the process, like the last part was confusing. I get
Right.
lost.
Okay. Because you have to know this last part here. We have y over 3 equals to x minus z. Y divided by 3. To get rid of this division, to get rid of the 3, what we are saying is that we must multiply by 3 over 1.
Okay.
Because then it will be 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 3, 1. But whatever you do on this side, you have to also do it on this side. So that's why you are multiplying by 3 over 1, which is exactly the same as multiplying by 3. All right, take this down. Just give it 30 seconds and we'll do another. We had
So I have a question.
go ahead.
So I get the answer of z minus x in brackets, well, 3 in brackets z minus x equals negative y.
Right. So if you have negative y, they are asking for positive y. They're not
Oh,
asking
alright.
for negative y. So you have to know, so negative y is equal
Alright.
to 3z minus x, which is good. So if you have negative y, how do I get rid of the negative? By dividing by what? Anybody? How can I get rid of a negative sign? By dividing by what? Nobody knows?
I don't remember.
You have to divide by -1. By -1. Whatever you do on one side, you do on the next side. So this will cancel off, leaving me with y equals to -3z minus x, which is correct. So there are two answers. This is correct. This is correct. All right. Although I think there's an error there, but take this one down, Matthew. Do it this way.
Yes, sir. General.
All right. Good try. All right, everybody's finished taking it down. Can I move on?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I finished take it down.
All right, so let's move on. Number 33. V is equal to 2R over I. They want us to find for R. That is not wanted, that is actually I. All right, what do I do? So I'm asking someone else. Josiah.
So you
Josiah
make all the
Trophy.
subject.
What did you say, Faith?
So you make all the subject.
Right, but how? By what's the first step, Faith?
So I would say multiply.
Multiply by what?
Multiply both sides by the L or
By
the
what?
I. The L or the I, which
You
one it is.
multiply both sides by I. That's correct. So I'm going to multiply Josiah both sides by I. Now, I is the same as I over 1. 5 is the same as 5 over 1. 10 is the same as 10 over 1. All right? 10 over 1. So don't think that because I'm putting it over 1, that all right? So when we multiply both sides by I, what would I get for my third line? So I'm asking this to Tyrell Ross. So Tyrell Ross, tell me what to write for my third line. simplify the second lines. So tell me what to write, Tyrell. All right, so Tyrell not with us. Samaya, what should I write?
The third line,
You're sounding very far. I could hardly hear you.
for the third line, I have VI over 2 equals
IV or VI equal,
over 2
no, equal
to 2R.
equals to 2R because the I's will have cancelled off. I into I1, I into I1, leaving me with IV equals 2R. Everybody okay with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, next question. Renisha, what's the next step? We are finding for R. Finding for R. So what's the next step, Renisha?
So you divide by 2.
You divide throughout by 2. You divide both sides by 2. All right, so that's what we're going to do. Very good. So we divide in by 2. Whatever you do on one side, you do on the next side. Now, I'm dividing by 2 because you have to note that the 2's will cancel. Just as how the I's cancel. So Tyrell Ross, what's my fourth line? Tyrell Ross. So R is equal to IV over 2. Everybody agree with that?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. I'm giving you 2 seconds to take this down and we're going to move on. Giving you 2 seconds to take this down and we're going to move on.
So I finished shake it down.
All right. Everybody finish?
I almost done this.
Sorry?
I finished.
Tyrell, you're back? All right.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello?
Well, you can't say hello to me because I'm here. I have to say hello to you because you're not here. All right, so 34. So P is equal to 2R minus W. Right, so I'm going to ask again the first step. Kimani Wilson, what's my first step?
So you make R the subject.
What do you do?
You make an R the subject.
We make an R the subject. Look, the R in brackets here.
Mm-hmm.
You all, when I ask you all the first step, please don't tell me making whatever the subject. You know that R is the subject, so it means that you have to get rid of everything other than the R. So you have to get rid of the 2 and you have to get rid of the negative W. So Kimani, what do you get rid of first? Or what do you do? Say a second line will be what?
So you're getting rid of the 2, sir?
How could you get rid of the 2?
Not the W, sir.
Why are you getting rid of the W now? Because today get rid of the 2.
You have to put
Huh?
No, because you have to put it on. You have to put it on the next side to make it negative.
The W
The
or the R?
no, crap. The R.
No, man, you ain't paying attention.
So I sleeping on myself here.
Why?
I'm tired too, and I'm training just now.
You're training tonight?
Yeah.
No, but you have to focus in because we're preparing for CXC.
Yeah, because he test in school, so.
Huh?
Yeah, because he test in school.
Josiah, what's the first thing I'm going to do? I'm finding for R.
The first thing you're going to have to do is divide
Divide by what?
R by another R.
You divide by another R? That what you're saying?
Yes.
How could you divide by another R? Man, you're not paying attention. You're not paying attention.
answer.
No.
Multiply by
No. Stop. Stop. Something is distracting you, Josiah. Something is distracting you. Because we have been doing this about 3 weeks. This is the third week, and you cannot tell me to divide by R. Can't. That is I mean, you haven't been following, and just now, please.
The screen went blank.
Yes, the screen is blank because I will have to go over. Now we are online, and I cannot see when you all are doing the work, but everybody's supposed to be paying attention because remember this class goes for an hour and a half. So I'm ready to move on, and I'm ready to move on today, and people are interesting. So now, when I started off this topic called changing the subject of the formula, I started with, let's say, x is equal to y plus 4. And want to find for y. Josiah, what do you do first?
Do you multiply instead of divide?
Where you getting these things from? Where are you getting these things from? If you have x equals to y plus 4, right? How many things you have on the right-hand side? How many numbers or letters, Josiah? Tell me.
You have whole letters on the right side. No, 2 letters on the.
No, wait. Josiah, listen to me carefully. How many letters or numbers you have? Forget about this y. How many letters or numbers you have on the right-hand side?
2.
2. What are they?
Y and 4.
And what you're finding for?
Finding for y.
So that means you have to get rid of what?
Y 4.
You have to get rid of what?
4.
You have to get rid of 4. Because when we say we are making y the subject of the formula, it means that we only want y on one side. We only want y on one side. So to get rid of the 4, the first thing I do is subtract 4. So I minus 4, I get 0. Whatever I do on one side, I do on the other side. So this will cancel off. So y is equal to x minus 4. Another way you could have said it, you could have said take the 4 and put it on the other side of the equation, which is the right-hand side. Right-hand side. Hold on.
You're muted, sir.
Yeah, I know. I just need to get the charger for the laptop. My battery is low, so they just indicated that. All right, so let's start over again. I'm just recapping. So anytime you see plus something, you can, thank you. Anytime you see plus something, you can move it to one side or the other. Is that okay, everybody? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm okay, sir.
Josiah, you understand what I just said?
Yes, sir.
All right. Why something sad so? All right, so let's go. Yes, sir?
I tired, honestly.
No. So let's do another one. So let's say T is equal to U minus X. And we are finding for U. Josiah, tell me the answer. You'll get the answer in your second line.
Answers. You have to. Well, we're trying to find 4. What is that?
Finding for U.
U or the U? Well, you will have to remove X.
Right? That's a negative X. So.
Negative X from the formula so you can get U.
So what's the answer?
T, no U equals T, or the other way around?
You have to move the X, Josiah. How would you move the X?
You have to subtract it by X.
No, that's a negative X. So you have to add X.
Oh.
You have to do the opposite to get rid of it. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
So what did I say we have to do?
We have to add X.
Why are you adding X?
To remove it.
To remove what kind of X?
The negative X.
Right. And if the X was positive, what would you have done?
We would have subtracted it by X.
Very good. Very good. Very good, Josiah. That's right. So we are adding X. If we add X here, you have to add X on this side. So this will cancel out. So U is equal to T plus X. Now, a faster way to work it, Josiah, all you have to say, I'm taking this negative X to this side. So now it's T plus X equals U. But this method, the first method, actually shows you what it did with the X. So whenever there's something plus something, that's what we do. Right? We either add or subtract them, Josiah. Let's do one more. One more, people. Y is equal to 2x minus 3m. We are finding for x. All right, what's your next line, Josiah?
We need to make x a subject of the formula. So is that negative 3m?
Sorry?
Is that negative 3m?
Well, you tell me. You're not seeing it?
Oh, well, we have to remove negative 3m by adding it to another 3m.
Continue. So what's your next line?
So, right, so we have to remove it, so we have to remove sorry, sir, I'm tired now, sir. But
I'm hearing you. You're mumbling things. Speak with confidence. Speak with confidence. You know what you're saying, so go ahead. Don't be
so we
afraid or
have
shy.
to add 3m to remove 3m.
So what you'll have now?
You will have y equals to 2x.
So you're going to have now y equals to 3m. That's what you're saying?
No, y equals to 2x.
Y equals to?
2x.
Josiah, you're not giving this thing your best shot. You're trying, I know, but you have to. I feel you're tired and true. But tired is not an excuse. Now, listen carefully, Josiah. You have x. This is the x. I'm going to put it in red. You're finding for x, Josiah. So it means that you have to get rid of this 2, and you have to get rid of this negative 3m. You were going right, actually. You were going right, but you didn't complete it. It required a little more thought. So I must add 3m on one side. If I add 3m on this side, now I have to do the same on the other side. So negative 3m plus 3m is 0. So you have 2x. Anybody lost? So y plus 3m equals 2x.
I lost you. How 3m plus 3m is 0?
That's how it is. That's directed numbers. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. Negative 3m plus 3m is equal to 0.
Oh, okay,
4 plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, Josiah?
Yes, sir.
Akile, you agree with that? Alike, you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
All right. So that's what we did. It's negative. I have to add 3m. Once I add 3m, I'm going to get, it's going to cancel off. Okay. Josiah, what's the next step? I have y plus 3m equals 2x. What's my next step, Josiah?
we have to divide 2x
Divide by what?
2
Where am I dividing by 2?
by
Which side? People
over time.
have a side here. We have a side here, and we have a side here. This is my left hand's right hand side, and this is my left hand side. So you all have to keep that in mind. You have to remember it. So, our right hand side, our left hand side. Y equals to 2x minus 3. So what am I doing?
Well,
You said divide by 2. Why are you
yes,
dividing by 2?
so we can remove the whole from 2x.
Very good. Very good answer. And if I divide by 2 here, what else I have to do?
You have to do the same over there.
Beautiful. Beautiful, Josiah. Beautiful. So when I divide by 2, the 2x by 2, what will I get?
You will get x.
Beautiful, Josiah. Because the 2's cancel. 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 2, 1. People, anything over itself cancels out to 1. So this is actually 1x. So x is y plus 3m over 2. Everybody okay with this?
Yes, sir.
That's good.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right, so Josiah, I'm happy that you understand. Let's do another one. But this one, you're going to do it in your book and you'll send the picture to me. So y is
All
equal
right, sir.
to u plus, what is v plus ut? That's so. This velocity, what am I? Let's put it as minus ut. Everybody find for t. We're finding for t, everybody. Send your answer to me. Take a picture and send it to me.
Yes, sir.
Listening.
The u is a negative u, or it's just minus u?
Well, yes, the negative is negative u and t. Both are negative. So we need to make them positive first. So I'm giving you all that hint. We need to make both positive first. So in your second line, you know what to do. And Faith, don't multiply by -1. Do something else.
Okay, sir.
You're sending the answer to my WhatsApp.
Okay, so that's no problem.
Matthew, you did a good job in your second line, but your third line is wrong. You're missing something. Check it again. You're missing something in your third line. You're almost there, Matthew.
Alright, sir.
Right. So, Antonio, you just made UT.
Wait, I'm now sending it.
You okay, hold on. Antonio, you made UT positive by doing nothing. You just change it to positive UT, making your second line wrong. So, Antonio, your second line is wrong. Check it. Right, so Josiah, you change the Josiah. I don't like how you're skipping a line though. I don't know why you skip lines, but Josiah, your second line is not the same as your first line. I don't know what you have between V and T. What did you put there? I'm not making out that. It looks like a plus, but you can't do that. So change your second line, Josiah, is wrong. Because it's UT. U times T is UT, Josiah. Check that, please. Renesia, how did UT become positive? So your second line is wrong. Oh, yeah, it's still wrong. How did UT become positive, Renesia? Check your second line again. All right, so Donnell, your second line is correct. Very good. But when you move the Y, you made the V negative, and the V did not move. It's the Y. So it's the Y that should become negative. Please change. Say your third line, Donnell, is wrong. Your third line, Donnell, is wrong. All right, so Duncan, you
Yes, sir.
remove the equal sign in your second line. You can't do that. You remove the equal sign in your second line. You cannot do that. So please fix that. Please fix that. Your second line.
Oh, no, sir. I didn't. I'm remove it, sir. I
Right.
didn't forget to button.
Right. Put it back and let me see. Emmanuel, that's correct. Very good. That's correct. Emmanuel Wilson, that's correct. Matthew. Matthew. Beautiful. Beautiful. So that's correct, Matthew.
Down, sir.
Alike, Right, Alike. Beautiful, Alike. That's good, Alike. Beautiful, beautiful. Kayla. Kayla, your second line is wrong because you changed the sign of the UT. Just like that. So do over your second line, Kayla.
Okay. So it's pile but okay.
Antonio, I wanted UT on the other side. So it will become positive UT. So do it. Oh. Oh. No, Antonio, I don't like what you did. You have to do over this question, Antonio. Faith. Oh, Faith working by steps, boy. Let me see what she did. No, no, Faith, I don't, you're correct, but I don't want you doing it this way.
Okay, so
Since UT is negative, Faith, carry it on the other side first.
okay.
Yeah, and let me see you. Duncan, in your second line, V did not move. It was UT, and he made it positive. So you have Y plus UT. But it could never be equal to negative V because you didn't move the negative V, Duncan.
So I'm confused. What?
You did not move. Why do you have in your second line negative V? All right, everybody, let me just show.
No, it's minus V.
Yeah, but it is minus UT plus UT because it's negative. Whatever you do on one side, it will become plus UT. So this is supposed to cancel off. So now you have Y plus UT equals V. This should be the second line for everybody. Tell me if anybody lost. Josiah. So I moved the UT Josiah to the other side and it became positive. You cannot have negative V, Duncan. You cannot have negative V. Everybody hearing me? Is everybody hearing me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Right, so you cannot have
Yes,
negative V.
sir.
So if I write this over again, just let's say I'm just doing the question. So send your answers to me. Send your answers. I'm going to write the question again. So it was Y equals to V minus UT. So Duncan on the equal sign under equal sign. So you have Y plus UT equals to V.
So I fix it, sir.
Right. So everybody, if I send back your work to me, Donnell. Ah, beautiful, beautiful. This is beautiful. I tell you, Max Donnell, well done. Oh, Right. So, who is this? Um, Justin.
Still,
So Kyla, just now, Kyla, your second line is good. Y plus UT equals V. But then where do we move from there? You're finding for V, people. No, you're finding for T.
Okay, so I'm editing it now.
So you have T on this side now. And it's positive. Duncan, I don't want you using the divide sign. Don't do that. Use your line. Do not use the divine sign for me, please. All right? Okay,
yes, sir.
Duncan?
Yes, sir.
Put divided by. So after this step, you're supposed to have step 1 and step 2. I want to know what is step 3. What is
Um,
step 3?
so so step 3, sir, you're dividing both sides
No, you
by
cannot
UT, sir,
divide. It
to
is
get the
U plus UT. You cannot divide. It is Y plus UT equals V. And we are finding for T. What do you get rid of first?
um. So you could repeat, so I didn't really process that last part.
I am saying you are finding for T. Y plus UT equals V. It means that you have to get rid of Y and U. Which one do you get rid of first?
So U, sir.
No, you cannot get rid of U first because U and T are together as one. You have to get rid of the plus, which is the Y. You add it to Y, so you have to get rid of Y. So it's UT equals to V minus Y.
What's the holding on? Split the U and the T.
Now, this is U multiply by T. How do we split them? How do we split them?
So just divide by U.
Yes. Yes, that's what I was saying all evening, sir. So they cancel, so T, Josiah,
Oh,
is equal to V minus Y over U. Everybody okay with this?
oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. I
Everybody,
understand now. I understand it now, sir.
very good. I'm happy to hear that.
Yes, sir,
Yes.
I understand.
Beautiful. All right, next one, everybody. I think this is the fourth one, so V is equal to 2y plus 3x. Finding for y. Send your answers to me in the chat. Send your sorry, in WhatsApp. Send your answers. Tyrell, you sent any work to me? Tyrell.
No, sir, I didn't.
Oh, come on, man. Send something to me now, man.
Okay.
So, Tishon, you came in a little late. So I just want to go this with you that we are making y the subject of the formula. It means that, Tishon, we want y on the right-hand side alone. It means you have to get rid of the 2. You have to get rid of the 3 and x. You all can do it. I'm giving you all 30 seconds.
Yeah, so I think them time that you're giving we to do this here a bit unfair. You know?
Okay. I'm going to look at what people sent. I want to see everybody's work. Renicia, this was the last one, which is what you got right.
So I did a little bit of extra working, right? So, and I somehow managed to turn the answer into fractions. I want to know if that's
No,
okay.
well, when you send it, I'll look at it and tell you. Yes, Matthew, well done. Well done. No. Matthew, all right. Well done, Matthew. Well done. Looks really good. Josiah. Josiah. Josiah, you made a small error. You was going all right. In line 2, whatever you do on one side, you have to do on the next side, Josiah. So if you're minus 3x, you have to do it on the other side too. So it will be v minus 3x. So change it. Do it over, Josiah. Kayla, when you put the 3x on the left-hand side, how come is it still positive?
So I know
Kyla,
I was going right. So I know I was going right, but I doubt myself.
well, don't you doubting yourself too much.
Um,
Yes, Samaya, well done. Duncan, your work is Duncan, if I was next to you, I'd give you a hug and a kiss. Well done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
so
Although I
Well,
wouldn't get the hug and the kisses.
well done, Duncan.
Sir, it's just my clever genius.
so
Duncan,
happening.
every time you get something right, you just go proud. Right? So just relax yourself. Oh, my daughter said don't tell anybody to give them a kiss. That is not good. All right, so I'll give you a hug, Duncan. Oh, my daughter said don't give you a hug either. Give him a what?
Okay, sir.
She say give you a
Okay,
dab
sir.
up. She say give
I
you
can take that. I can take that.
a dab up. I don't know what is a dab up. Anyhow, and she laughing me and going. Right? So people like Alike and Renice and they would laugh at me and I don't know why. All right, so Tishon, let me see what Tishon did. Tishon came in late, but he's trying.
So I could check my answer.
All right, so Tishon, your second line is good. What, Tishon? Well done, Tishon. Tishon, very good. Very good. Very good. All right. Donnell. No, Donnell, you made a mistake. Now, when you minus 2x, the 3x, you cannot put plus 3x on the other side and minus v. You did not move that v, Donnell. So it is still positive v, but minus 3x. Donnell, you okay with that? Donnell Paul.
Yes, sir.
Right, so if you minus in the 3x on one side, I think I told Josiah that too. Josiah didn't send back a, oh yes, he did. I think so. You have to minus 3x on the other side as well. So change it. Faith, I don't like how you did this. It correct, but I wanted to see all the steps. I will show you. It's correct, but I would have preferred that you wrote it in a different way. But I'll show you just now.
Okay, so
Antonio, but it's correct. Antonio, correct. Very good. Renicia, correct. Tyrell Ross. Right. I don't like how you wrote it down either, Tyrell
So
Ross.
you could check mine.
But it's correct. I corrected it. No, you didn't. You sent it. You didn't send it to me.
Yes, I did.
Okay, it's correct. It's correct. Kyla. Emmanuel Wilson, correct. And Josiah. Josiah, I'm not sure what you're doing. I'm not sure. Oh, your second line is correct, Josiah. And then I do not know how you got your third line. That you made a mistake. Kimani, why you dividing by 3 in your second line? You can't divide by 3. It's what in front of the y determines what you should divide by. Kimani, write over this one and send it back to me.
Excuse me.
Just now. Kimani, write this over. I don't like you dividing by 3 because remember you have 2y, you're finding for y and you divide by 3. It's the 2 that determines what you're dividing by. No, fix that, please. I'm not accepting that. Okay, people. I just want to do this by steps. Hold on, everybody, Duncan. So if it's just now, Duncan, if this is V equals 2y, right, we're finding for y, but there's a 3x here, so a minus 3x. So that will cancel off this, right? But whatever you do on one side, you do on the next side. So you have V minus 3x equals 2y. So Tyrell, what do you do from here? Excuse me.
What?
Huh?
Yeah, sir. From
What do you
here,
do from here? This after line 3. What do you do?
we after line 3, you start to divide.
Cry? You start to cry? You divide by what?
Divide.
You
You
divide by
divide
what?
in both sides,
Uh-huh.
which should be
You divide
2.
both sides.
Uh-huh. After you divide both sides,
No. You divide in both sides by what?
oh, by 2.
Well, then you did not do that in your work. You are supposed to now put divided by 2. Divided by 2. I need to see this. If you don't show me this, then you're guessing.
Oh, I didn't divide both sides. I just put the whole thing over 2.
Then when you cancel it, then you should have y on the
But sir,
right-hand side, v minus, just now, people, over 2. Now you could write, therefore, y is equal to v minus 3x over 2. You have to show me these steps. You cannot jump to this step, then it's wrong. If you just jump to the last step, then it's wrong. I want all the steps. And that goes to Josiah Jofield as well. Okay, people? All right, let's do another one. If somebody had a question, ask a question. Somebody had a question. Somebody was asking me something. Duncan, was it you?
no, sir, I was asking if I could just step out to go and get some more and come back.
Go ahead quickly. All right, so let's do another one. Now, when you could manipulate your formula, you could consider yourself a good math student. Once you could manipulate your formula, you could consider yourself a good math student. There are a lot more to it, but M is equal to IT I want positive S. We're finding for positive S, go ahead. We're finding for positive S. Go ahead. All right. Wow. Matthew understands this thing really good now. Well done, Matthew. Well done. I think you understand it well.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, Donnell. Come on, people, take a picture, send it to me. Beautiful, Renicia. Well done. That's correct, Renicia. Right. So, Antonio, you made a mistake. We're finding for S, and the S is negative. So, carry it on the other side first and make it positive. We're finding for S, but the S is negative.
So when you're watching my thing, so careful, you don't have a
You
stroke,
just sent it, Duncan. You just sent it.
Yeah, I said when you're watching it, careful, you don't have a stroke.
Oh, Duncan, relax yourself now, man. Tishon, let me see what. Let me look at Tishon first. Tishon, you don't need to write in all these things. You don't need to put those things. Do that in your mind. So your second line is M. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, Tishon. But you have to show me that you divided by 2, Tishon. All right, so Duncan. So Tishon, that's correct. Duncan, boy. Oh Lord. No, that's wrong. It's negative 2S, Duncan, so you have to carry it on the other side. We just did one like this. The S is negative. This thing here is negative. So you're going to say, you're going to add to S. But whatever you do on one side, you do on the next. Duncan, you just told me understand. So it means that these are going to cancel. Same thing, different sign, always cancel out. You have 2S negative, 2S positive, so they're going to cancel out, leaving me with M plus 2S equals
Check mine.
Sir, sometimes greatness does feel in a.
Boy, just check the thing and write it over like this, please. And so I'm leaving it like this. I want you to finish it on your own. Let me see if you all could finish it. So send it back for me, Duncan. Kyla, correct. Emmanuel Wilson. All right. Correct. Samaya. Correct. Alike, did you send your work? Tyrell, I didn't get anything from you. Josiah, you sent your work? Josiah,
Sir, I am still working on it, sir.
Tishon, you had sent your work, right? I think you did. Yeah, yeah. Antonio, you were to send over your work? Antonio,
Yes, sir.
yeah, you were to send over your work.
Oh, yes, sir. Just now, sir.
So you're going to take the 2s and bring it on the left-hand side, making it positive 2s, as you see it in red. So now you'll have m plus 2s equal it. Remember, we are finding for s, people. We are finding for s. Yes, Faith, let's see what you have. All right. Oh, Faith, you did that really fast. Okay, Faith, you're correct. Very good. No, Alike. Alike, you have to take the 2s on the other side first with the m. I don't understand why you carry the it over. We carrying the 2s to make it positive. So we carried it on the other side. So Alike, can you do this over? So m is equal to it minus 2s. So now you'll have m plus 2s equal to it. All right, so Duncan. Oh, I like when you state your right. No, Duncan. Your second line is correct, but that's it. Your second line is correct. You're finding for S. So you have to get rid of the M, Duncan. So you have to minus M on both sides. So it will be 2S. This is M minus M. If you minus M on one side, you have to have minus M on the other side. So plus M and minus, and that will cancel. So I have 2S equal to IT minus M. Alike, you should have. So that's the question in steps. For those persons who understood it well and didn't do it in steps, they would have just said M equal to IT minus 2S. We're finding for S. So it will be M
Sir,
plus 2S just now equals sign under equals sign IT. So 2S is equal to IT, Alike, minus M. So this is what 1, 2, 3 lines. So the bright students who know what they're doing. Then we divide by 2. But whatever we do on one side, Josiah, I did not say work. So we cancel it out. 22, 1, 22, 1. So S is equal to IT minus M over 2. You all are not working in steps. I'm not sure why. I'm giving you 10 seconds to take it down. So here you would have divided by 2. So S is equal to IT divided by 2. Make sure that you have that. I'm going to Josiah. People not putting equal sign under equal sign. You all think I'm just... No, Josiah. The 2S have to stay on the left-hand side. You cannot put back the 2S on your right. Josiah, it's M plus 2S. It's on the left. The IT is on the right. You cannot just switch it around. Maths is a sequence. You don't change the sequence for nothing. Right? You don't just write 2S on one side and then put it on the other side. You must show how it went on the other side. It's a sequence, Josiah. So take it down, Josiah. You could take down, don't take down the one on the right. The one on the right is so when you fully understand. Take down the one on the left. I want you all to concentrate. Even though you all are tired, I'm tired too. All right? But you all will get it. Don't worry. It takes time, but you all will get it. Now, I wanted to start simultaneous equations, but it's going to confuse people. Before you do simultaneous equation, you have to be good in algebra. Before you become good in algebra, you have to be good in changing the subject of the formula. One more. Oh, our time is up. Our time is up. It's now 5:15. And we kind of started at 1:45. All right, so people, I'm going to send some of these same type for homework. You are doing it in steps. All right, you're doing it in steps.